Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn portfolio links using GitHub Pages step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn portfolio links using GitHub Pages, start by creating a GitHub account if you don't have one. Visit GitHub's website and click the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information and complete the sign up process. After logging in, click on the New button to create a new repository. Name your repository something relevant, such as LinkedIn Portfolio. Make sure to select Public for the repository visibility. Check the box to initialize this repository with a README. Click the Create Repository button to proceed. Next, navigate to the Settings tab located at the top of your repository page. Scroll down to the GitHub Pages section. Under Source, select the branch you want to use, usually main or master. Click Save to Now, go back to the Code tab and click on the Add File button. Choose Create New File from the drop-down menu. Name the file index.html to serve as your main web page. In the text editor, you can start adding your LinkedIn portfolio links. Use appropriate HTML tags to format your links for clarity. For example, use the anchor tag to create hyperlinks. Write a ref equals your link description /a for each portfolio piece. After adding all your links, scroll down and enter a brief commit message. Click Commit Changes to save your work. Navigate back to the Settings tab and confirm the GitHub Pages URL. Visit the provided link to see your portfolio displayed online. Finally, keep your repository updated by committing changes regularly. You now have a backup of your LinkedIn portfolio links accessible via GitHub Pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.